everyone, I'm Chris, and in this video we're going to learn how to make the Pie Bow Tie Bracelet. It is a 2-needle project, and we're going to need some PieDuos, some mini RounDuos, some 11-0s, some SS16 chatons, some wire guards, and a clasp of your choice with some jump rings. We're going to basically work up the bracelet by adding the 11-0s, the PieDuo, and the RounDuo Mini all the way up to the end. Then we'll attach this other wire guard, and then we'll come back down the project and add the SS16 chatons. So I've already started with about 5 feet of size 6 thread, and I have my 2 needles, and in the middle of it I have put my wire guard and 2 11-0s on each side. So now we're going to add a PieDuo, and we're going to go in from the corners. So we'll put those on. We have to get our thread back in our wire guard. There we go. All right. Then we're going to add an 11-0 on each thread. There we go, 1 11-0 on each thread. Then we're going to pick up our RounDuo Mini. Put a needle through each hole there. We'll work that down. Then we're going to pick up an 11-0 on each thread. Work that down. Then we're going to pick up the curved side of the PieDuo. There we go. The good thing about these 2-hole beads is there is no front or back per se, so we don't have to be concerned about which side is up. Then we're going to add 2 11-0s on each needle. And then we're going to create the other half of our bow. So now we're going to go through, each needle is going to go through the pointed side. And we've created our first little bow there. So now we're going to pick up an 11-0, just one on each needle. And work that down. I'm going to pick up a RounDuo Mini. And put it on each needle. Then we'll pick up an 11-0 on each needle. That down. And then we're going to continue that all the way down. We're going to create these bows all the way down to the end of the project, and then on the far end we'll just put a single triangle there. Now this example piece has I call them 8 bow ties. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 bow ties, and then kind of a half bow tie on each end. With the wire guards, This configuration creates about a 6.5-inch bracelet. So if you need to make yours smaller or larger, you'll know kind of an approximation of how many bow ties that you're going to need. And then remember to include the length of your clasp into the overall length of it. So you're going to go through and you're going to continue making these bow ties until you're close to the end there, and then I'll join you when we're down on this last half bow tie.
Do you want to know how to save over 50% on jewelry making kits? With a monthly kit subscription, you'll get 3 new kits for as little as $49.99. Remember, that's for 3 kits. That's a savings of up to $70 per box, plus you get free domestic shipping. This month, we have our best ever deals for new subscribers, including free tools, added boxes and kits, and even our ultimate beading kit for annual subscribers. Visit PotomacBeads.com/subscribe or click on the link in the description.
I finished my little mini bracelet here with half of the bow tie. So I have the PieDuo and then the 2 11/0. So now we're going to add our wire guard. I'm going to take the one needle and put it up the one side of the wire guard. I'm going to take the other needle and put it up the other side of the wire guard. And then we're going to come back down the side of the wire guard. We're going to go through those 2 11/0s, the PieDuo, the next 11/0, the Mini Duo, the next 11/0, and then the PieDuo. Then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And go down the other side of that wire guard through those 2 11/0s. Then we'll go through the PieDuo, the 11/0, the Mini RounDuo, the 11/0, and then the next PieDuo. And then we're going to add the chatons. So they have a little cross on the back, so we're actually going to cross our threads over here. So we're going to come out this PieDuo here. We're going to pick up the chaton, and then we're going to cross over to this PieDuo, and then go through the 11/0, the Mini RounDuo, the 11/0, and then this PieDuo. So we'll pick up that chaton. We'll cross over to the other PieDuo, go through the 11/0, the Mini Duo, the 11/0, and then that next PieDuo. And we're going to do a similar thing to this other one. So we're coming out here, so we're going to go across to this PieDuo after we go through the chaton, and then down these until this PieDuo. So we'll go through that chaton. And go down this PieDuo, through the 11/0, through the round Mini Duo, through the 11/0, and then out this PieDuo. So that's how you'll add the chatons on top of each of these bow ties, and then we'll come down here and we'll tie off the ends. I finished adding my chatons to the bracelet here, and then once I got up to the end, the one thread I just came out of the PieDuo, the other thread I came out, and then I went up and around the wire guard and came down, and then we're just going to tie it in a knot, right over left, left over right, and then you can burn it off. And then add your clasp to the end. suggesting that you leave the clasp together so when you put this one side in, you put the other side in, you don't end up with it being upside down there. And then you have your bracelet here. I want to thank you for watching this Pie Bow Tie Bracelet tutorial, and I hope you join us again for future Potomac bead videos.